Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
And good morning. First of all, let us express our deepest gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the Lord of the world. It is only by His mercy, guidance, and blessings that we are able to gather here today in good health and happiness. Distinguished audience, on this honorable occasion, allow me to deliver a speech with the theme of literacy, entitled Smart Generation with Literacy. The purpose of this speech is to remind all of us, especially the younger generation, of the vital importance of literacy as a profession to face the future. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in today's digital era, many members of society, particularly teenagers, show this interest in literacy-related activities. They tend to be more engaged in updating social media, watching digital entertainment, and playing online games on their phone. Literacy itself is the ability to read, write, and understand information. It serves as the gateway to progress through reading, writing, and comprehension. A nation can grow stronger and more advanced, therefore improving literacy among the younger generation is not only important but also urgent. Literacy offers countless benefits. Through reading and writing, our horizon expands, knowledge increase, and our way of thinking became sharper. Literacy also trains the brain to think critically, creatively, and to solve problems effectively. However, in reality, at the current conditions, the level of literacy in Indonesia is lagging compared to other countries. International surveys reveal that reading interest amongst Indonesians remains low, while in developed countries, reading has become a deeply rooted daily culture. These comparisons underlines how important our effort to improving national literacy. As a solution, the government together with educational institutions has launched a school literacy movement to foster a reading habit from an early age. Yet, this movement will not succeed without collaboration from all parties, especially families. At home, parents can set examples by making reading a daily habit, while at school, the teachers can cultivate student interest in reading through literacy activities. The key message I wish to leave today is, let us begin with ourselves by reading and writing. If we practice it consistently, a culture of literacy will spread to our surroundings. My sincere hope is that by strengthening literacy among the younger generation, Indonesia will give birth to a generation that is intelligent, has character, and well prepared to face the challenge of the future. That concludes of my speech. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for the participant. For the next, we have from SMP Negeri 2.